Bum by Arctic Monkeys is played in standard tuning with no capo. The rhythm for the intro starts with a G bar chord. First finger 10th fret at the A and a third finger bar across the 12th fret on the D, G and B strings. We're just going to strum down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down to an F sharp minor chord. First finger bar on the 9th fret and we've got third finger 11th fret at the D and pinky finger 11th fret at the G and second finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Same again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and drop this shape down 2 frets to an E minor chord, same again. Go to an A bar chord at the 5th fret of the low E. Go first finger bar across the 5th fret, third finger 7th fret at the A, pinky finger 7th fret at the D, and the second finger there on the 6th fret of the G string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So just 7 strums this time. So we have the G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F sharp minor, E minor, A. One more time, G, F sharp minor, E minor, A. Little melody in the intro starts off on the high E string at the 7th fret 4 times. Then down to the 5th fret on the high E string, and we've got 7, 5 on the B. 7th fret on the G, sliding straight down to 4 on the G. We've got 2, 4, 2 on the G, and then 4, 2 on the D. The chords for the verse are D, full bar, F sharp for 1 full bar, G for half a bar, going down to F sharp minor for the other half of the bar, then E minor, and we finish off the last beat of the bar on an A chord. So we're going to start the verse off on this D major chord. First finger on the 5th fret of the A, and a third finger bar across the 7th fret on the D, G and B strings. We're going to strum down, and then take the pressure off and strum down, up for 2 muted hits. So down, mute, mute, and then have down, mute, up. So we have down, mute, mute, down, mute, up, and then have another up strum followed by a muted up strum. And then down, mute, mute. We then move up 4 frets to an F sharp major chord, exactly the same chord voicing, same rhythm as well. So down, mute, mute, down, mute, up, down, mute, mute. Up 1 fret there to a G, exactly the same chord voicing, down, mute, mute, down, mute, and then on the up strum here we're actually going to go to an F sharp minor chord. So first finger bar on the 9th fret, 11th fret on the D with the third finger, 11th fret on the G with the pinky, and 10th fret on the B with the second finger. And the rhythm for the F sharp minor is up, down, 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 mute, mute. Okay, so from the D, F sharp, G, then we're going to go down to an E minor chord which uses exactly the same voicing as the F sharp chord, just down 2 frets. For the strumming we have down, mute, mute, down, mute, up, mute on an up, down, down on that A power chord we played before. Okay, so E minor, repeat that throughout the verse. Whole verse slowly. And up to speed. Starts off on the B string at the 7th fret, play this twice, then 5, 7, 5, then 7, 6, 7 on the G, going back to 5 on the B. Same again, and we play 6 on the G, 7, 7, 6, 4, all on the G. 2, then we slide up to 7. Play that 4 times. Okay, so slowly. Slide up. Start again on the 5th fret on the B there. Same riff as before. Very similar riff as before, but this time we have 3 hits on the 7. And then the same riff, 6, 7, 7, 6, 4, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 5, 7, 5 on the B, 7 on the G. Okay, so the whole riff. Then go through the verse with just a strumming pattern but using the same chords. So G for a full bar, F for a full bar, G to F sharp minor, swapping halfway, then E minor, 2, 3 and 4 and then on there 3 and we have up, down on the A. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 on a D, 1, 2, 3, 4 F sharp, G, 2, F sharp minor, E minor, 2, 3 and 4 and back into the verse. There's also a linking section in the song that uses a similar single strum technique here. We start off on a G bar chord at the 3rd fret of the lower E string, single strum for a full bar, moving it up 2 frets to an A, full bar. We then got 2 hits of a D chord, single strum back on the A. So G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, D, D, A. Then down to a new chord, a B minor. 3 strums on that. We have a 1st finger bar on the 2nd fret there. Then we've got the 3rd finger on the 4th fret, the D, pinky finger, 4th fret, the G, and 2nd finger, 3rd fret, the B. Down, down, down. Back to the G. 2, 3, 4. A again, same again. So D, D, A, B minor, and then G, A. Okay, so the whole link, G, A, D, D, A, B minor, back through, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, D, D, A, B minor, and G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. So in the mid-8 section of the song it's a bit heavier. They're actually still using the full bar chord shapes, but they're only strumming the low string, so it's more like a power chord sound. So we have the F sharp to start with, which is the 1st finger bar across the 2nd fret, and then an E bar chord shape there, and we play the all down strums in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and move it up a single fret to G, same again, and then we'll repeat this 3 times. Time through, the rhythm and chords do change slightly. Have the F sharp to start with, and we'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or down, 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 up to the G, down, 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 up. Then an A chord, down, down, mute, mute, and then we're into the solo. So the last bar through, and then we're into the solo. For the solo, we're going to start off sliding into 9 on the G. There's 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. The 2nd bar, we slide into 9 again. Then 7, 6, 7, 6. So the first 2 bars. And the 3rd bar, we're going to play 9 on the D, 6 on the G, then 9, 7, 9, 7 on the D. And these are in like a triplet as well. So far. Then go down to 4th fret on the D, 2 hammer onto 4 on the D, go in 2 on the G, and then 4, 2 on the D. And then open D twice. And then we're up to 7th fret on the G 4 times. Grab 9 on the G, 6, 7 on the B, 9, 7 on the G, 2 on the 9, on the D string. Okay, so from the D, we go 7 on the G, 3 times, and then we grab 7 on the B, 9, 7, 9 on the G, finishing off on 7 on the G. Okay, so the whole thing. The chords for the solo are exactly the same as the verse here. D, F sharp, G, going down to F sharp minor, E, and A on the last part of the bar there. For the outro, we go back to that kind of linking section, but we use single strums of the chords, and we don't have quite as many up strums either. So we have a single strum on a G, A, D, A, B minor, back through, G, A, D, A, B minor, and then G, A. Finish it off, single strum of a D chord. For more Arctic Monkeys guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.